so welcome back to my channel. Right now I am showing you guys the paper that I will be using in this tutorial. The first one is holographic sticker dot paper, and the regular is holographic paper, and the last one is iridescent paper. I will have all these sticker papers listed down in the description box below. These are silhouette sticker paper. They are thicker than Cricut. I do not have a silhouette, and that is why we are making this tutorial on how to use them with your Cricut, and I will explain everything into detail. So right out the pack, this is what it looks like. It has these four registration where the registration marks go on this sticker paper. Now, one thing I will say is that you need to, in Cricut, this is the design I'm using because I'm rebranding right now. But you need to size your stickers to where your stickers aren't on the registration marks. I didn't do that, but all I had to do was take it down like probably like a centimeter. It was only a tiny tip of the ear that was on the registration mark at the top. I don't know if I show it or not. But when I printed it out, this is how the design came out. It is very hard to see. This paper is so shiny. It is crazy. I would personally use this on packaging and stuff like that. I mean, unless you want to, I wouldn't sell them. But if you can come up with like a good design that has solid colors, because my colors are pastel, so it doesn't show up as great. But as you can see on the sticker pack itself, if you have solid colors, it would come out really good. But I wouldn't recommend pastels like me. But yeah, this is what it looks like on holographic, and then I go in and show what it looks like on iridescent. And I'm showing, I think right here, the ear is a little bit on the registration mark. As I was saying, you just want to size accordingly. So now I'm gonna cut it out and show you guys what it looks like. So here it is. This is so hard to record, but I wanted to show you guys that it actually cut out. Let me see if I can focus. There we go. It actually cut out. It's so sparkly, so it's hard to record, but it did cut out. Sorry, my Cricut's on in the background, but it did cut out. And it's Cricut. You can do die cut with these, but I'm gonna be putting these on like packages and mailers or whatever. So I really didn't care if it was die cut or kiss cut, so I did kiss cut. Now, in order to do kiss cut on these, because this paper is thick, like, I know it doesn't look like it, but it's thicker than most sticker paper. The settings that I am using on Cricut, you can't see right now. Once this get done, I will show you guys the settings I'm using on Cricut right now. Hold on one second. Okay, these are the settings that I'm using right now. Cardstock for intricate cuts. I know that sounds like super crazy, but this sticker paper is kind of thick, so you have to use something like that. Oh, it didn't cut right on this part. I'm gonna take one off just to show you guys. Hold on. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to take it off. So with the, this is thick, y'all. I did this on cardstock intricate cuts. You see? It's so hard to film this. Basically, that's the design. And this is Let me see which one this one is. This is holographic. And the see-through. Now, when you do it on cardstock intricate cuts, you want to do it twice. Not just once, twice. The first time, it will not cut through. The second time, it will do the kiss cut. Now, if you want these to be die cut stickers, you're going to have to find something like a material that's like super heavy. So probably like maybe regular cardstock. I'm not really sure. I have to test it out. Okay, so this is the setting I use to do die cut heavy cardstock. I had to do it twice, y'all. Twice, just to even get it to die cut. Now, sorry, I got barbecue sauce in my hand. Now, when you peel it off, it's gonna look like, oh no, it didn't do it. You have to poke it. Like, let me see if I can just show y'all real fast. Okay, so it's it's hard to explain. Like, you have to poke it out. Here, let me see if I can put the camera down. Let me just take it off. Only some actually came off on the mat. Only some. So what you have to do, I'm gonna take this one. You have to like push it. See, you have to push it out in order for it to die cut. Now, I did that twice on heavy cardstock. So, yes, if you do a cardstock intricate cut twice, it will kiss cut. But heavy cardstock, twice die cuts. But that is it. And this is the holographic. So you can put these on packages or just wherever you like, or give them to a friend. But that is all for the video. If you like this video and you're here so far, don't forget to give this a like and thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.